Okay, we do monthly e-cleaning. Before we start the e-cleaning, usually I will check the setting, the filter check. This is total quantity, total time. If the e-cleaning is done wrongly, both bar will be up. Okay, full. So this one is, before e-cleaning I check that it is like that. After e-cleaning it should be like that also. Okay, so now we go to the e-cleaning. Press yes, follow step by step. So now they say pour 2 sachets of powder, citric acid powder into the green tank. Okay, then mix with tap water. Usually I prefer to fill up to here so that I have space to shake the water to ensure that it is fully dissolved. Press these 2 holes. Okay. Then, okay. So they asked me to put it into this compartment. Because this salt solution, right, enhancer, sometimes will crystallize at this suction area. So to ensure that everything is smooth, use a wet cloth and clean the interior. Okay, so that ensure that there's no crystallized salt at the suction part, which will hinder the suction of the citric acid water. Okay, now we push in and then cover up. Why do we need to cover up? So that it make sure that everything is pushed in. Okay, so now remove the filter. When you remove the filter, make sure that these 2 rubber washer is taken out. Because one hole cannot have 2 washer. Center align to center, side to the side, and then push in and lock it. Then press OK and use this stopper to stop the bottom holes. The newer version is another type of stopper, but it still works the same. Press OK and start. Okay, 3 hours. Let's say if after 1 to 2 minutes this screen sleeps, if you want to check the time, touch the stop, then everything got to redo. So if you want to check, just touch the top part or the bottom part. Okay, so wait for 3 hours. First 15 to 20 minutes or sometimes even lesser, you will see some water dripping out from the enhancer tank into the cup. That means that the e-cleaning is properly done. So wait for 3 hours, later we continue the second part. I show you the front part, the video.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is telling you that, okay, after 3 hours, you see some water here, telling you that the e-cleaning is properly done. If no water comes up from here and into this cup, means it's not done. Okay, now this is done. Okay, they say number 7, they said remove this one, the cap from the secondary hose. See, all the acidic water comes out from here. Okay.
那个 water 我可以拿的。
Next one. Yeah.
流下来这个水 very good, you know.
Yeah. So this water you can keep for cleaning your water,
Wash the thing very clean.
Okay. Now, so now wait for it to drain out. Usually I don't need to wait because see the next step they ask you to put back this filter. Okay. Don't follow this step because if all the acidic water didn't come out, once you put in, you flush, the acidic water goes into the filter will be contaminated. Then you need to change another new filter. So leave it here, ignore them. Ignore the message, is press OK, they say error, correct? Press OK, ignore it. Now put in this enhancer tank. Take out this, see it's empty already. Okay, put in the enhancer tank. And then close this cap.
Empty tank.
Yeah. Then they say whether it's empty or full is okay. Now run the water for you turn on the tap. Okay. Let it drain for 300 seconds. So 300 seconds is about 5 minutes. Okay. Main idea is to flush out the acidic water. So after 5 minutes, when you put back the filter, there's no acidic water inside, so your filter is very safe already. Huh? So stop. 好了没有？不要开始。Okay, now after 300 seconds, 5 minutes, you can turn off the tap. Okay, so no filter inside. Okay, take out this one. Make sure that the washer is here, and put it back. Okay, now you go back to check the filter. It should be the same before I do the e-cleaning. It's like that. Means your filter is safe and the e-cleaning is done. That's all.
Okay, so you have to check this before you start the cleaning.
Yeah. Okay.
See the
So
level.
cover it back and then you are done already. This is monthly e-cleaning.